chocolate cabinet.
Weird.
So you open it from the back.
It's old.
It's got a
crack on it.
Yeah.
Are you negotiable on it? It is nice.
Oh, look it. Isn't that cute?
Oh, it's got shelves for it?
Yeah, well, they're...
Oh, yeah, I see
I see. Tucked away.
Shelves. Oh, I wouldn't have expected that.
They're probably really thick.
It looks old.
That's cool.
There's a base that goes with it.
Oh, I see. At the end there. Okay.
Bring it up.
Oh,
Gets it up a couple feet there.
that's nice.
Is that something that you like?
I do. It's kind of... I have to find it, like, put it against the wall
We're going to transport it.
in the back. It's not... So, a
Oh, and
chocolate...
it sits on that and then it spins on
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Like
So
a lazy Susan.
chocolate cabinet.
Yeah, it came out of the Disley General Store.
Okay.
Friend of mine
It's just,
had-
I've never heard of a
Oh,
chocolate
wow. Yeah,
cabinet.
those shelves are
yeah.
thick.
Yes,
Those
they
are the-
and that's what they
so,
recommended when we were
One, two, oh yeah, 3 shelves, yeah.
Well, that what needs to happen, it needs to probably have these corners reset.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because what happened, I was like, when I'd come, it was like sort of leaning, so I had
Oh,
replaced,
I see, yeah.
fixed or added some dimension to these things to make them stick, or the corner supports, right?
Right.
And I turned around to do something, and it
Oh, it fell? So one of the shelves fell and broke that?
just the middle one, because I was changing all the supports. Right?
Oh.
I put one in, I was to test it out, and then I turned my back and boom.
Oh. What do you
What do you
think?
want to offer?
Hmm?
What do you want to offer?
I don't, let me see how much money I have. Might have 100. You think we could offer
thinking
that?
we'd offer that.
This is last day. Yeah, and then we have to go to the bank because I won't have any more. 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then I have change to give an exact.
Can you offer?
Yeah. Are you gonna offer?
Do you want me to?
Yeah. Of course, you're the best at that.
Do you think you guys would go 100?
I'd do 100.
Yeah. But
Okay.
it does, you know.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Okay, ready when you are.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's not as heavy as I thought it would be.
Hey, hang on. Yeah.
What's happening? Why are you
There's nothing to hold on to.
dinging up the corners? Now we'll put the thing and then the...
Maybe on its side even?
Sure.
Do you think there's room for it to sit flat?
I think so.
Okay.
Now,
Can you get out?
no, I have to just stay back here and you bring me stuff.
Okay.
Cool.
Right on. That is a cool piece.
Really cool. Chocolate
Yeah.
cabinet. Can you please help me?
Well, I'm filming. What would you like?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good day.
Have a good one. Wow. What a good sale.
Yeah.
That awesome glass chocolate cabinet.
Chocolate that rotates.
I don't know that our chocolate would last long enough to stay in the cabinet.
No, I'd
but-
have to get a lock to keep you out.
Yeah, you probably would.
Well, it said chocolate cabinet, but I was gonna write it, but I'm
I was
like,
what is that?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Bye.